So if you're going to graph something in point slope form, you need to extract the information first. This was a little bit of what we were talking about on Friday, where we said, well, let's find the pieces of this. We know that it's supposed to be y minus y1, m, x minus x1. So we need to find the pieces. M, the slope, is usually the easiest thing to find. In this case, it's -3. The point that they gave us then, x1 comma y1, so x1 was 2, but there's a plus sign in front of it. The formula has a minus sign. So what could possibly have turned a minus sign into a plus sign? The negative. So it's actually a -2. And then for y1, we have a 1. And it already had a minus sign in front of it, so it's good. So the way this is going to work when we graph this is we will start with this one point, and then we will use that slope to generate the rest of the graph. So I'm going to set this up with my x and y axis, and it doesn't matter too much how far you go in each direction for this. Just make sure you can fit all the things on there as you go. We're starting at -2, 1, so I go left 2 and up 1 to make my first point. From there, I'm supposed to use this slope, but it's a whole number. What do we do to a whole number to make it usable as a rise over run, Dominic? Over 1, good. So I'm going to go -3 over 1. I can either go down 3 and right 1, or I can go up 3 and left 1, because the slope is negative, so only one of those movements can be negative. Let's go ahead and say down 3, 1, 2, 3. Down is negative, so right is positive. A negative and a positive make a negative slope. Or we can go up 3, 1, 2, 3. That was positive, so I need a negative, left 1, to make the slope negative. Go ahead and connect them, and you've got your line.